Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 63, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. घरी कामधेनु पुढे ताक मागे हरी बोध सांडो निवेवाद लागे करी सार चिंतामणी काच खंडे दया मागता देत आहे उदंडे. O my mind, you own a wish fulfilling cow, but you go to others and ask for buttermilk. You give up the morals from the scriptures and stories of God and keep on doing arguments and counter arguments. You are holding a wish fulfilling gem in your hands, but only seek pieces of broken glass. Whatever you ask, it will be giving that to you a lot. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Ghari means at home, Kamadhenu means wish fulfilling cow, Pudhe means next door, Tak means buttermilk, Haribodha means wisdom regarding God, Sandoni means giving up, Vevad means futile argumentation, Lage means engages in, Kari means in the hands, Sar means essence, Chintamani means wish fulfilling gem, Kachakhande means broken glass pieces, Magata means when asked for, Udande means plentiful. Samartha Ramdas Swami is pointing out the foolishness with which our minds sometimes work. He is also pointing out how the minds of foolish people work all the time. It is important to know what we have and what it is capable of. It is also important to know what to ask for or how to make use of what we have with us. The combinations of these two can be stated in four different ways. We know we have something precious, but we don't know how to make use of it. We don't know we have something precious, and we also don't know what we should be asking for. We don't know we have something precious, but we do know what is that we are looking for. We know we have something precious, and we do know how to make use of it. The first two of these are what foolish people will do. They don't even know what is that they are looking for. They end up wishing for low value or useless things or something from which the cream has been taken out. Samartha Ramdas Swami is describing the first two types of people in this shloka. Kamadhenu is a wish fulfilling cow. She will give whatever you wish for. Similarly, Chintamani is a wish fulfilling gem which can fulfill anything you wish for. There is one type of person who has a cow with them and still they go to others and ask for buttermilk. The fact that they are asking for buttermilk is pointing to their foolishness. Now, whether they know that the cow they have is a wish fulfilling cow or not is pointing to their ignorance. But if they know they have a wish fulfilling cow with them and still go asking for buttermilk to the neighbors, they are clearly stupid. Similarly, someone who has a glass stone in their hands and throws it forcefully on the ground in order to make smaller pieces of glass to keep as a collection of broken glass pieces of various colors is foolish. Their ignorance is that they don't even know that what they are holding in their hand is actually a wish fulfilling gem. But the one who knows that they have the wish fulfilling gem in their hands and still breaks it to get the pieces of glass is stupid. Imagine that there is a grocery store that has every sort of valuable, nourishable items like fresh fruits, fruit juices, fresh dairy, fresh vegetables, all sorts of lentils, rice, whole wheat, bread, as well as low value or junk items like Coke, Pepsi, potato chips, Pringles, etc. One day, the store announces that come and get whatever you want entirely for free. The only condition is that everyone gets only 5 minutes to choose and pick up what they want. Foolish people will go there and pick up all the junk items like soda and chips in bulk quantity and will come out with a huge smile on their faces and will end up having a large tummy and weighing 10 kilos more after few days, whereas the ignorant people will not even know or care to know that there is such a promotion going on in the store. And then there will be those who know about this special promotion, but even then will go to another nearby store which does not have any promotion going on and then buy soda and chips in bulk quantity, pay a huge price, and still end up having a large tummy and weighing 10 kilos more after few days. These are the stupid ones. In the same way, those who have a chance to meet the saintly people, but instead of gaining from their wisdom and knowledge, only end up in arguments and counter arguments, are foolish, ignorant, and stupid. They might also have scriptures and religious books like the Bhagavad Gita and Jnaneshwari in their house, but when someone goes to their house and is astonished that they have such a treasure, they will make fun of it and probably will say, seems that you are getting old, that there is no value in wasting time in reading such books. Samartha Ramdas Swami is using the technique of telling what is foolish or stupidity in order to make the point that, oh my mind, be self aware and always do the introspection, contemplation, and meditation to look for what kind of treasure you already have. Then get the most of it instead of questioning the value of it. You have everything you need with you, so there is no need to go searching for it outside. What you don't have, definitely make every effort to learn from those who already have that knowledge. He is making a point to tell our mind to be like what is mentioned in the last two combinations given above, that we should always know what is that we are looking for, and that better be of high value, not materialistically, but from the wisdom and knowledge perspective. If we already know the importance of what we have, that is great, and we can make most of it. If we don't know that we have something precious, then we should just believe that when we are looking for the stars, we are going to get them, as God is there listening to our wishes all the time. घरी कामधेनु पुढे ताक मागे, हरिबोध सांडोनी वेवाद लागे. करी सार चिंता मणी काच खंडे, तया मागता देत आहे उदंडे. Join me in this humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian literature and culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.